second highest. Probably mine too, by the way. But
Yeah. I'm tired. Let's go home. Wow, beautiful. Oh, wow. Yeah. Man, that is steep. Like twice as steep as where we just came from. Woo! Who decided this was a good idea? This is just dumb. Look at the angle we're on. It's like 45 degrees.
I feel like it's better than shale.
Yeah, better than shale. At least this doesn't hurt you when it slides. But man. You're like 4 steps ahead of me and you're like 7 feet above me.
I'm tired.
This is ridiculous. I can't believe this is the trail. I love it, but it's crazy.
Yeah. Good, keep going. Tickle your brain.
Yeah, I'm not feeling it yet. I don't know why, but pushes, no joke. Man, the peak push does not let up. I mean, it is steep, really slippery rock. Awesome views, oh my gosh, just cool. So it's 2,000 feet, pretty much on the nose, in 2.3 miles. We took a slight detour at the base of this at the top of the first big push. So I don't know, maybe 2.4, 2.5. But yeah, you really feel it because it's concentrated. This trail up the peak is very steep. Looking forward to being on top. Oh, woo! Yeah! Top! Awesome! Oh, you know the marker. Nice. Got to get the marker shot. Wow. Yeah, this is legit. Falling with style. Right down there is the PCT. Where is it going to happen? He's down. This stuff is crazy, man. Heading down to meet the PCT. It's like we're on Saturn or something. I do think this is the steepest trail I've ever been on. I mean, not that I haven't been on steeper things, but as far as like a legit trail that's like actually on a map, this just seems nuts. I mean, this isn't a trail, this is like a climb. Does that seem better over there?
Not around the corner yet. Kind of ready to just garage sale it all if I go down. Yeah, I think somehow this is better.
Okay. I may just butt slide this one, jeez. I don't know, man, the GPS says straight ahead, but this is crazy. I'm gonna send like an entire avalanche down on you, man. rock. What the heck, man? Did you traverse over here or down there? No, we're not. Oh, what the heck, man? This is unreal. Look at that, the rocks are still falling from behind me. We must have done something wrong. This can't be right. That was exciting. My GPS must have just screwed us, man. That's what we get for trusting technology. Okay, so not there, but about 20 more steps to the actual trail. Dang.
Wow.
That was something, bro.
Sure was.
Real. You still see the trail down there, right? Yeah. It's obvious people have been down here before. Yeah. Should have been here. Not that much different. This trail is a bear to stay on. about to the bottom of this stretch. We have about a mile of road walking back to the car. Hopefully there's a trail there too, I don't know. But these yellow bushes indicate where these springs are. So I'm pretty sure they're springs. I haven't seen snow there, and they're actually running quite well. You could pretty easily fill a bottle, which is not bad for late October. Anyway, we're kind of hustling because we want to get back to our homes by 5 o'clock. And some of that off-trail stuff we did killed our time pretty good, so we're just moving.